In the very first question of ethics paper 4 way back in 2013, UPSC has asked, what do you understand by values and ethics? 10 साल हो गए हैं. UPSC has asked question on these terms multiple times, directly, indirectly. Still, many students don't have the absolute clarity between these terms. What is the difference? What is the point of commonness and what is the point of deviation? See guys, the level of this exam is very up. And this is not just any normal written exam. This is also the test of your character. I'm not making it up. I'm no one to judge your character, but our UPSC writes in the syllabus that this paper will include question to test the candidate's aptitude and approach to solve problems relating to integrity, probity in public life, and his problem-solving approach to various issues and conflict faced by him in dealing with society. Now, if you don't understand the difference between probity and integrity, how can you write the good answers? If you don't have the clarity, what are the ethical issues? What is the difference between ethical issues and moral dilemma? How can you solve the problem? Guys, you need to have the clarity about these terms. And what I mean by clarity is you need to understand the level of abstraction. What are the terms abstract in nature? What are the terms observational in nature? For example, your beliefs, your values are abstract in nature. Your behavior is observational in nature. If you don't have the clarity about the intensity of the various terms, for example, your sympathy, empathy, compassion, your probity, integrity, honesty, and not just about the clarity of the term, if you are still writing the examples which are very heavyweight but generic in nature. For an example, say if you're still quoting famous IS officers like Khemka sir or TN Session sir, they are of course epitome of it, but you need to understand that everybody is quoting them. How can you make your answers specific? You need to quote the examples, especially from the current affairs, with the name of the officers who are doing good, right? So you need to have this clarity. Now, I'm not just here to make a threat to you, or I'm not just here to make you afraid of this exam. I'm also coming up to propose a solution for you. The Civilsdaily has prepared a table of content in which we are defining 50 important terms of the ethics. Not just defining, we would also give clarity about those terms, also with the utility of those terms, along with the examples from the current affairs. The examples can be both in positive and negative. It depends on the terms. So how can you have the access to this particular content? There is a link in the description. Fill the form and we will WhatsApp you the table. And if you want to do it practically, if you want to get a bit more clarity on these terms, Civilsdaily is also starting 14 days live answer writing challenge for ethics paper 4 starting coming Monday, on which I am just going to ask 2 hours daily of yours, in which we'll have these sessions, discussions on the various aspects of the paper 4. We'll also have the live answer writing sessions along with the discussion, and then some award attached to that. So you can join that challenge as well. Guys, if you want to make it into the final list, the game of UPSC is up. You need to also level up of your game. Thank you so much. This is Swatantra Datre from Civilsdaily signing off. Keep studying, keep writing. Take care.